Add a new item to a dictionary in Python. How do I add an item to an existing dictionary in Python? For example, given. I want to add a new item such that
easy as py. Another possible solution. Which is nice if you want to insert multiple items at once.
It can be as simple as Chris Answer says, you can use update to add more than one item. An example. Please see the documentation about dictionaries as data structures and dictionaries as built-in types.
It occurred to me that you may have actually be asking how to implement the plus operator for dictionaries. The following seems to work. Note that this is more overhead than using dict key equals value or dict.update, so I would recommend against using this solution unless you intend to create a new dictionary anyway.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.